Hello, everyone. Welcome to Scorecard's featured called The Power Questions. My name is Aaron Jacobs, and I'm going to do a quick video walkthrough tutorial to help you set up your own power questions. As I get ready to do this, I'm going to give you the what and the why of the power questions. So the what of this is power questions give us the chance to understand our customers and our prospects better. It allows us to discover sales opportunities, and it helps us to tee up the shot for our presentations, or if you want to call it a sales pitch, whatever works for you. These are going to be important because they help us to control the sale, develop our sales process, and overall, it's going to create a better customer experience. So I'm going to show you how to do this. You go to the site, the Scorecard Tools site, and you're going to go down to Go to My Power Questions. And the first thing you're going to notice on this for me is that I have several campaigns that were created. You can make a list of one list, 20 lists, 100 lists. It doesn't matter. You can do whatever works for you, depending on your services, your territory, your specialty markets, your customers, and so forth. But we're going to create a new campaign here. And you're going to start off with some required fields. We're going to give this a campaign name. So we're going to call this Specialized. Let's say we're a painting company, Specialized Painting, and we'll call it West Coast. I don't know why. Sounds good. So our solution or product, what are we really doing out here? And let's say, hey, look, they have specialty painting. Let's do that. That's going to be important because these are tags that we're creating, and we have a library of questions from you to use. The more tags, the more efficient our tags, the better questions we can recommend if we have some that fit for you. You can choose business to business or business to consumer. You can go down to the industry that you're in, not the industry you're targeting, but the one that you're in. And you just click this. You can either create something new and add new industry, or you may want to see if something that might already exist for you that might be helpful. And here I see, well, here's remodeling. Let's use remodeling, for example. And in terms of a sub-industry, so within remodeling, there could be a lot of things. And what do you know? There's paint. You can also add your own in here as well. So once we do that, we're going to hit add new. Now we're ready to start our power questions. One of the first things you want to do is add your company logo for formatting purposes. So you're going to go to the hamburger menu here and go to company logos, and you're going to have upload a new logo image from probably your desktop. So you're going to see if there's anything in there, and I'm going to use my logo just for the example. I'm going to hit open, and now there it is. And now we can go back to the power questions. And so if I want to find a company logo, and if somebody's already loaded your logo in, you should be able to find it, no problem. I'm going to select that, and that's the logo that's going to be formatted on here. Now you've got four sections of questions. That is getting to know you, getting to know how you do things, getting to know the challenges or problems that we can solve, and other things that just didn't quite have a great tag to it. So we're just going to worry about one section for now. We have to at least fill out one field here. And let's create a question here that says something to the effect of, do you want to paint all of your rooms? Question mark. You hit save. That question is now in the library. So if somebody else on your team is creating power questions, they should be able to find that if they use the same tags that you use. But let's say, hey, I want to see if I can find some other questions that suit me. You can go to the suggestion button, hit that. And based on this, you can start to see if there's any questions in here that might suit you. And you'll see it based on the ranking that might be the best fit. And over here, I see what prompted you to meet with me today. I think I like that question. So I'm going to hit the add button. What do you enjoy about getting your home painted? Boy, that's a really good one for me. Boy, this is a good one too. It's right on here. What rooms do you want to paint? And so forth. I don't see anything else on here I like for this campaign. So I'm going to click out of that, and I will see that these are already on here. I can also add some other things in here, such as what brand of paint do you like? Again, that'll finish us out for 5 questions. And hit save. Now you can make as many as 20 to 30 questions for your campaign. And we can do the same process here of getting to know how you do things and so forth. but I'm just going to stop right here on these questions. I like to see 20 questions. That doesn't mean you ask 20 questions. It means that you're going to be prepared to do that. And you can see there's a save icon down here. You can hit that save button at any time. Now, let's say you want to change the order of the questions, or you want to delete a question. You can just move this one up, and you can move this one down. These buttons will move that around. One other feature you're noticing here, if you're going to go to suggestions, let's say there's a question on here that's inappropriate. I don't know that we have any, but let's just say something here about life insurance. Let's say that looks inappropriate, or there's a spelling error and we want to alert the administrator about that. You hit that flag, Scorecard will find out about it. And let's say it's just a spelling issue. It's flagged, we'll find out about that and correct that. So once you have that all done, you then download to the PDF. And you'll see this pop up here now. You can see your company logo pops up on here, and that all the questions you put on here are going to be on this now, this Power Questions sheet. You're going to see it in the order you wrote it down. You're going to have lines that you can write down the answers so customers can see that you're listening. You're not going to see it the whole way down for us because we didn't fill out the other portions of it. But as you add to that, this will grow. And then you can simply save it, print it, and you've got your first set of Power Questions. So good luck with your Power Questions.